away every day. So guys, hodl them. Now, what about the staking? The staking of Smartcoin, you know, it launched just a couple of days ago, and I want to explain why this is amazing, why this staking is so good. And in fact, I'm going to ask Enika to share her screen, if you can do, in relation to the staking. This is really important, and you probably do need a pen. When you realize how powerful this is for you guys, the community members, how powerful it is for the coin itself, then you're going to see how the price of Smartcoin potentially going to rocket. Every single person, every wallet holder is being encouraged to stake Smartcoin. In other words, to freeze it. And I'm going to tell you why. Those who freeze their Smartcoin will see in their wallet the option of bandwidth and energy. They are the 2 points of freezing. You can freeze Smartcoin into the energy and into the bandwidth. And we suggest you do both. And we suggest you do them in equal amounts. Now, this is what happens and why it happens. When you stake the Smartcoin, you will receive every day energy and bandwidth from the blockchain. It will just arrive into your staking wallet. Energy and bandwidth. Now, these are important, because together they make sure that you can claim your rewards for free. They make sure that when you are sending ULTIMA token or Smartcoin, there are no Smartcoin charges. It is a free of Smartcoin charge transaction. Not ULTIMA, that's different. We're talking Smartcoin. So Smartcoin, when you make a reward, claim, when you transact, if you've got energy and bandwidth by way of staking your coin, you will have an element of free transactions. You can see on the screen now where Enika did a transaction today. She had energy and bandwidth in her wallet, and the transaction shows 0 Smartcoin fee. Now, why is this amazing? Because if you freeze your Smartcoin, your transactions become free. In other words, you are not spending Smartcoin. It stays frozen over time, and every day you get new energy and new bandwidth to do your transactions. And over time, the Smartcoin is going to increase in price. That means you don't have to spend your Smartcoin anymore on the transactions. You freeze them, you hold them, you get free transactions, and in time, you can unfreeze them and then cash them out. That means you're hodling your Smartcoin in the most clever way, because you're getting the free transactions. Now, you don't have to stake, and you can pay for your transactions if you want to. I think that'd be rather crazy. But this is another good point of this. Yes, you can stake. You are holding the Smartcoin. Yes, you get free transactions. And in time, your Smartcoin that is frozen will increase in value, and then you can release it to sell it at any time. When you unfreeze the Smartcoin, when you unfreeze it, you will not be able to access it for 14 days. Unfreeze 14 days, and then you can withdraw to your wallet. Now, this is the amazing part, because I'm going to lead in shortly why we're going to be really rocketing our community by millions coming very soon. Everybody that wants free transactions in Smartcoin, and the bigger our community grows, we suggest you have 10,000 Smartcoin frozen in bandwidth and 10,000 coin frozen in energy. Both of them, 20,000 in total. We suggest this because The average transaction rate that people are doing means you'll never pay a transaction fee in smart coin, which means your 20,000 will be hodled for you. And then in the future, the price of the token will go up. Why will it go up? Because the more and more people join our community, they need the smart wallet. They need 5,500 smart coin to activate the wallet and keep it active. And the minimum 20,000 energy and bandwidth means 25,500 smart coin per wallet should be in there frozen. Should be in there at any one time. If you take that across what we see of millions of wallets coming in the future, that is a lot of smart coin taken off the market. But not only that, remember, this is only one tool to make the smart coin grow in price because of the things are happening. But what is also happening with the smart coin, this is what you're looking at stage 1. In stage 2, that is likely to happen next month in June, there will be a second part to smart coin staking, whereby not only will you get your bandwidth and the energy to make the free transactions in smart coin, but you're also going to have the opportunity to earn more smart coin by staking. So that is coming in June. That's the second step, stage 2 of staking of smart coin. Now here's another exciting part. Stage 3 of the staking in smart coin, maybe by July, August time. Stage 3 is where your energy and your bandwidth that you have that gets replenished every day automatically, so you get free transactions ongoing, you can allocate that going forward. This will launch in stage 3. You can allocate your bandwidth and energy to maybe a newbie joining the business, and you can give them free transactions in smart coin, free reward claiming for a amount of time as an incentive for them to join your team, allocating them your bandwidth and energy from your wallet. That is stage 3. That will be arriving July, August time. So remember, stage 1 we've got now. Stage 2, you're going to be earning more smart coin in staking. That's coming in June. And then stage 3, the allocation of, or the ability to transfer energy and bandwidth to somebody else to help them out, to incentivize them. So that is coming as well. But what else is going to grow smart coin? You all should know by now, if you're holding smart coin, by old assets, legacy assets onto the swapping platform. Next week, by the end of next week, the swapping platform that is holding your smart coin will reopen. It will reopen and give you some opportunities. It will give you the opportunity to withdraw the entire amount that is showing on your dashboard. You can take the whole amount out, pop it into your wallets, put it into the staking, spend it, cash it out by cashing out. You do what you want with it. That's the entire displayed amount in your dashboard. Now, of course, what will happen if you've been swapping legacy assets? Every month you'll get more smart coin into the dashboard. But this is the bad news. The opening of the platform by the end of next week will only be for 1 week. So you have the opportunity to take out or consider your options. And I'm going to give you your options to think about. You can take all the smart coin out. You can take some of it out. You can then place it into staking. You can look forward to stage 2 staking with smart coin rewards coming. So you can get more smart coin that way. Then remember what is happening with the Royal Pool. The Royal Pool will launch in June. The Royal Pool is about to launch after the opening of the platform. The Royal Pool will allow you to purchase the splits for 10-cent price of smart coin. Please make a note, guys, if it's on your dashboard. If it's on your swapping platform dashboard, the value is 10 cents. And then you can purchase the royal splits. The royal splits, by the way, are priced at $1 million each. So the royal splits, you can purchase 10 cents on the dollar for the royal pool. So that is going to be launching imminently as well, certainly in June. So the royal pool will come. That's another option you have to think about. Do you want to withdraw all your smart coin from the dashboard and then put it into staking and cash it out and then wait obviously for 1 year before the platform opens again? Do you want to leave some on your dashboard? Because even though the platform dashboard may close, you can still use the balance to the value of 10 cents to buy into the royal pool. Okay, so that's another option for you. And the royal pool is launching imminently. And the royal pool splits will pay in ULTIMA. So that is another ULTIMA income stream. So think about it, guys. You need to strategize. You got to think about your business plan. You want to know how you want to spend your smart coin. Staking, remember, is a great way of free rewards. Everybody's going to be holding it on their wallets. Now, this means the supply of smart coin when the platform closes for 12 months is going to be shortened again significantly. That should drive the price. Let me give you a scenario whereby the smart coin goes to 50 cents in the next 12 months, or maybe it even goes to $1. What do you want to have access to if the price of that smart coin goes to $1? Yeah, think about this, because the shortening of the supply, like is happening with ULTIMA right now, is going to impact the price. And I know the object of the company is to take the price of smart coin to the moon with ULTIMA, so they can be there together. So think about how you want to strategize your business. So that is the smart coin, guys. In the wallets, staking, energy, bandwidth, try to put 10,000 in each one, okay, minimum. You'll get allocated bandwidth and energy every day, automatically, replenished, for free, landing in your wallet for you to do the free transactions of smart coin. So, have I missed anything on there, anything?
I would just want to mention that we know that for many people, the staking is completely new. So you have never tried, you have never heard of it. And people, when something is completely new, people are full of fear. Okay, how do I do this? Why do I do this? And can I go wrong by freezing my smart coins? The fact is, it's so simple. You just need to go to your smart wallet, click on the smart wallet section in your smart wallet, and then under the balance, you are going to see a small icon with some coins. If you click on that, you're coming to the staking side of the wallet, and you will see your balance and you have a freeze button. If you click on this freeze button, you can self-select and choose how many you want to freeze, on which section you want to freeze, energy or bandwidth. And believe me, you can't go wrong. You can't make a mistake that you lose your smart coin. So don't be afraid of testing. Test with a small amount. You can always freeze more. You can always add to it. But it's really, really the smartest way to use your smart coins. It's recommended if you want to have free transactions and free claims. Who wouldn't want that? And so it's recommended to do 10,000 on each for you to be able. Stefan just frozen his smart coins. So it's very simple and it's very smart to do. And also, yeah, I just wanted also to add that the energy and the bandwidth is coming from a pot every single day. This is a shared pot, something like the pool. We have the pool, we have this liquidity coming out of the pool. The staking is going to work similarly. The bandwidth and the energy for the daily daily amount of energy and bandwidth are going to be allocated to everybody who's staking. So we can't really estimate how